think I just make a little scenery video, you know. It was nice, lovely, warm weather we have today. And cop over there sitting parking lot, he ready to catch somebody. So who you gonna catch? You ain't catching me. Avengers Endgame's drop. Can't wait to see that. Already got my ticket. Ready for this 3-hour movie. I ain't gonna get no popcorn, no drink, cause you know I'm gonna sit through the whole movie. Beginning to end. Beginning to end. Sorry. From beginning to end. I'm sitting through that whole movie. Aim is nuts. Y'all niggas ball halftime. Y'all niggas like the gator bet. Y'all niggas need a timeout. Got these niggas all wind up. I'm sucker, I'm 730. Y'all know where y'all niggas gon' wind up. No, Mr. Nice Guy. No, Mr. Nice Watch. Only for a matter of time for nice shot. Y'all niggas been out all the law. Get no blood on my Audemars. Meaning y'all been out waste my time. When y'all ready, I can broad for. Meanwhile, I'm just keeping on ball. Front on the back of the back of ball. Front on the back of the back like a horse on front. All niggas wanna back it on. Without code, showtime, and these niggas know. Trust your roll, these only motherfucking hoes. Whenever you ready, go. Got J. Cole, that old school. It's a nice watch on the ones and twos. Hope everybody having a good day. I'm having a great day. I'm having a glorious day. I've been off work for a long time, you know. Little vacation, stay vacation, you know. We all need a little time. We just need to get away from work. You know, it never hurt anything to, you know, just get away. It's been a ride. I guess I have from work, sit back, enjoy, relax. You know, I still been going to the gym like crazy on my days off. People like, what's wrong with you? Like, I can't stop, won't stop. You know. Grind and relax at the same time. That's all. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I sit in silence and find whenever I meditate. My fears alleviate, my tears evaporate, my faith don't deviate. Ideas don't have a date. But see, I'm growing and getting stronger. Find something, listen. Nice out. Nice clear view. Sunny. Cloudy. Hope y'all enjoying the scenery. Ain't much to see, but you know, see the sunshine. Yeah, jamming right now. I got Hollywood Undead on there now. You know, we on tonight. Traffic was so freaking bad. So I went to the gym about 1:15. I was in there for a few hours. I got out, wasn't thinking like, hey, this school's letting out for today, and I was like, oh, it was traffic everywhere.
Part of the loop was fucking closed off. Golly. Try to exit off and cut through town. It was backed up too. I'm like, golly. What is with this madness? Got the new Mortal Kombat 11. Went to the midnight, but early release. Picked up, got my copy. You know, out there playing Mortal Kombat. Hopefully this will be a good one for me. There's a lot of characters on there that are really good. Some are already broken. But hey, it's a fun game. I've been waiting on this game for a long time. Got a few characters that I play with. You know, started out with Raiden. I'm so glad they brought Jade back. That's one of my favorite characters in the Mortal Kombat line. I'm playing with Jade. Playing with Liu Kang a little bit. Haven't played with, well, I learned a little bit of his basic attacks and combos. About it. Other than that, I really haven't played with him. I haven't got into any matches yet. So far, the only persons I did matches with was Jade and Raiden. Off to a little bit of rough start too in the rank match. 7 and 10 in the rank match. Casual matches I 1-0. Like one fight I left because I had to go somewhere. Hopefully it turned around in the ranked matches, get a better percentage of winning and wins. You never know who you're gonna run to on the other side, man. I'll tell you that, man. When you playing ranked matches, it's crazy. Head back to the house, you know, fire my old grill. As I work on this video, I'm gonna fire up the old grill, you know, editing. Probably won't be much to edit. Just like, you know, do the intro, outro. Maybe I'll do like an outro video when I get to the house. Like, oh yeah, we back, alright. Well, not we back, but like, oh yeah, that was it for today. Have a great day. Stuff like that, you know. How long this video is? I think it'll start it over. I need to make it long. We're going to the bar in March. Wait till they get out of school. 15 minutes. Right. I will continue the video shortly after this. What's up? Back at the Cruizin now. Got the grill firing up and stuff. See, doing a little work. And, what I'm doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Working on the video as of right now as we speak. Got the grill going. About to put some chicken breasts on there. Put some chicken breasts on there. Wait. I'm in a rush. Let me slow it down. Did some rearranging there with some more stuff. I hang up this nice little shelf right here. Clean out the studio spot. Coming soon. You know, a little bit. Still a lot more to go. This wall right here. empty space. Got something planned for it. You know, set up, you know, got all anime posters right here, you know. Do this, you know. Saying, oh yeah, I still gotta get that right there. Gotta give me a Switch one day. Gotta give me a Switch one day. Loud motorbike went by. Yeah. So now, man, we'll check on the grill real quick and see what's going on. Yeah, well, outside. This is my backyard. Yeah, water puddle right there. Water sets really bad in that yard. That's gonna take about 4 days to dry up. Maybe a week and a half now, since it's supposed to rain Saturday and the rest of the week. Sorry. I don't know what happened there. Got the grill firing up. Alright guys, back at the crib, you know, a nice little cruise scenery what we did for today. We'll go ahead and start grilling up the food and stuff. Check out the Instagram. You might see some of the pictures of the food on the grill, but yeah, I got the music playing. Like, gotta get in the groove, you know. Always gotta have the music playing when you're out there grilling and stuff. Believe it or not, I ain't got no drinks with me today. Not today, but man, my name is Dante. This is Cruising with Dante. Thank you for watching the video again. If you like today's video, hit the like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Let's try that again. My name is Dante. This is Cruising with Dante. And we're out. Have a good day. Have a great weekend coming up. Don't let the rain get you down. It's probably going to be raining this weekend. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, stay tuned for more videos coming y'all way. And I will catch y'all later.